She walks clouds on silver heels. Every step she takes, her heart reveals. With eyes like stars and dreams unfurled, she feels invincible in her own